my name is Happy and I am Hari. I hope all of you guys are staying safe and healthy. So today I thought, why not let me share with you one of my weirdest habits, which is I spend hours together sitting with myself, pondering and reflecting upon the very own events of my life. And I also try to discover what might be the possible reasons for that event to occur, and especially at that particular time. And these sessions are absolute fun because the birth of this very own channel and all the video ideas I get are mostly from these sessions. And also, at the start of this year, I had a thought, and the thought was so compelling that it made me read and go through so many research articles and papers and then arrive at this video. But before talking about what that thought was and what induced me to do so, I would like to welcome you all to My Name is Happy. And if this is your first time here, I am Harini and I make videos on life, happiness, positivity, and wellness. If this is the topic that you want to know more about, then please go and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you get updated whenever I post a new video. So coming back to my thought. Everything that happens in your life can be viewed from two angles. Every event that occurs is already preset or predetermined. Everything happens for a reason, and that is how your life is destined to be. There may be sudden shocks and surprises, but at the end, life can be seen as a miracle. On the other hand, you would have noticed that certain things that you get in your life are purely because of your hard work and dedication. These are the things that you aspired for, worked hard to achieve. And these are nothing but the fruits of your very own labor. And I feel life is a perfect combination of both these things. But if you believe that only A is true, then you should also agree that there is a greater and higher energy which controls and creates our lives. Well, why can't B be also true? If B is true, then there is a mimic of this same energy within all of us with which we can co-create our realities. How amazing is that? Still not able to believe? Let me tell you more scientifically. The primary principle of quantum physics is that physical matter does not exist and everything that surrounds us is just vibration at different states. The famous Nobel Prize winning physicist Werner Heisenberg once said,
Atoms or elementary particles themselves are not real. They form a world of potentialities or possibilities rather than one of the things or facts. This energy vibrates at an infinite number of subtle frequencies that cause it to appear as all the different creations we see in our world.
and yes, a great deal of research is still being put on into this field, and few scientists are very close to concluding that our life in itself is a holographic experience. But let's not go so deep, but let's just look at the crux of this matter. Life is not a collection of solid things, but rather it's just a flow of energy. What this means is that if we stay conscious about the energies we contain based on the emotions we feel, we can make deliberate choices that alter our frequency and help us create a reality that we all desire. Want me to make this even more simpler? Let me break this down for you. Words have power. Their meaning crystallizes our perception, shapes our beliefs, drives our behavior, and ultimately creates our world. Words' power arises from our emotional responses to these words whenever we hear, speak, or read them. For example, when you hear the word fire at a barbecue place, at a workplace, or at home, you get three different reactions, and all of them are powerful and energetic in these own ways. And that is the beauty of these words. And the entire potential of these words lies in the hands of who and how we harness them. For example, if you're already in a bad situation and then you keep saying or repeating demotivating words, you are going nowhere but to an even worse and grave situation. Whereas if you use positive and motivating words to reframe your thoughts and perspective of looking at a particular situation, there are higher chances that your spirits get lifted up and your outlook towards the problem might change. So in this video, I'm going to share with you few secrets that will help you make your words work in your favor so that you can step up your game this 2022. So there are 7 steps in this ladder. Step 1. Stop all name calling. Everybody in this world is striving and giving their best at that moment. So let's not demean or demotivate anyone. Step 2. Let's give up self depreciation in the forms of self mockery because your words aren't too smart to interpret your humor. Step number 3. Resist yourself from gossiping or talking ill about others. And step 4 is go on a negativity free diet. This is like when something goes wrong, acknowledge that it has gone wrong, but stop ruminating the same thing again and again because our brain loves repetition and it will make it as a pattern. And finally, that will become a way of life, and that is why I recommend you to go on a negativity free diet. Step number 5 is boost the positivity in your words. If you say that I had a good day, well, the sentence is very positive, but let's make it even more positive. I had a wonderful day. I had a fantabulous day. All these things just adds more positivity and good energy. Step 7, avoid negative nannies, especially all those backbiters and complainers. And last and the final step, which is surround yourself with positive and encouraging words. All these steps are very, very important and crucial in making things work. And I have started from the last step in the ladder, and that is something I wish to share with you today. So yes guys, as I told you that I have started my journey of making words work in my favor. I have started it from the 7th step, which is surround yourself with positive words. And this can be done in so many different ways where you can listen to positive affirmations every night before you go to sleep, or you can wear t-shirts with positive and good phrases and walk around. Either ways, whenever you have everything positive about a day, then imagine the kind of goodness that you're observing towards yourself. And that is the main reason why I started from the 7th step. And also today I thought that I will make cute little boards with positive words, which I can just hang around in my room or have it in my visibility so that it will give me the positivity and the goodness that I need in my life. And also today I thought I'll share how I made those cute little signboards with you also. So if you like it, you can also make those cute little signboards and hang it in your room. So why wait? Let me show you how I made those cute little signboards. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm sure the tea I spilled today will help you step up your game even more this 2022. And let me know in the comment section how you enjoyed this video, and also share with me a few recommendations on how we can make our words work in our favor if you have done them before in your life. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to entertain and make yourself happy with more such videos in the upcoming weeks. So until then, stay tuned with me, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get updated whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Be safe. Bye bye. See you soon.